officers, that's national count, from the elementary and secondary of the March 31, 2024 licensure examination for professional teachers. Okay. Hindi madali yun na out of 65,000, isa kayo doon, 654. No? And out of, you will know it better, we can tell you, enjoy it better, I'll tell you that there were 130,744 who took the March left. No? So ang survivor ay total ay 65,654. And I said, you are one among the 3,100 plus coming from Lucena. Well, they say that gratitude really will bring you more blessings in life. So let us thank the following people, organizations, agencies who shall we say are responsible for making you enjoy this moment. First of all, the government agency responsible for regulating 46 professions in the Philippines. And our board is one of them. That's PRC. No? Alam ko, nakuha niyong tama ito. No? Kasi tinanong namin ito. Ano ba yung what's the meaning of PRC with this and that function? Pero kami nilagay ito ng Philippine Red Cross. May pumili, may sumagot. Pero Philippine Regulations Commission, meron din sumagot. Di ba? Kaya sabi ko sa PRC, PRO, sabi ko, kailangan dagdagan nyo pa ang pag-inform that PRC is not Philippine Regulations Commission. It is Professional Regulations Commission. So you belong now to this government agency. Kailangan i-regulate because you cannot just practice your profession after finishing certain degrees. No? So, mula sa letter A, that's accountancy, down to B, that's veterinary medicine, tayo, professional teacher, no? These are all professions regulated by PRC. Of course, PRC, each profession is also managed and headed by particular boards. So in our case, we have the board for professional teachers. No? So we ask, of course, it's Dr. Susan Navarro, our chairman.